Good morning, children. Hope you all are well and fine. Annual examination is going to start from 20th March 2021. Already timetable and syllabus is been sent on Campus Care on 6th of March. Hope you all have gone through it and you have read all the instructions given in that. This time we have done a change for annual examination for class 3. This change we have done for class 4 at the time of evaluation 3 only. But now for class 3 we are doing from annual examination. So this time exam will be in the form of MCQs as well as descriptive. Section A will be the descriptive questions part for 20 marks, and duration for these descriptive questions will be 60 minutes. And section B will be 30 marks MCQ for 30 MCQ for 30 marks, and duration will be 30 minutes, means half an hour. So please go through all the instructions given with the timetable and syllabus. This time you have to send that descriptive questions answers which you will write. You have to scan it with the scan cam in your mobile, and then you have to make the PDF of that, and you have to upload on the end tab. You can upload in the form of PDF also, or else you can upload in the form of image also. But immediately as soon as you finish your writing, cross check your answers and send within the 15 minutes after the end time of examination. Everything is given in the instructions. Please go through it. Along with that, parents has to take 3 photographs when the child is writing the exam. Parent has to act as an invigilator when the exam starts, in the middle of the examination, and at the end of the examination. And these photos also you have to send to the WhatsApp of the respective subject teachers immediately after sending the paper on the Campus Care. Okay, so children, here this video I am recording to show you how to upload this descriptive answer sheet on the end tab. So children, here I have opened the ID of one girl, that is Ishwari Adkine. Now I am going to show you how to upload. Now when you will open your end tab, you will see the screen like this. Here you have to go to messages. See here 2 envelope images there. So this is messages. You have to go to messages. Give me 1 minute, children. Yeah, so you have to go to messages. See here, this is the messages. So once you go to messages, you will see the name of the teachers here, the teachers who are teaching you. Now see here, Sheetal Khedgikar miss, she is teaching you for all 4 subjects: English, Maths, English, Maths, EVS 1 and EVS 2. Rachure miss Marathi, and Archana Tapper miss Hindi. So whatever descriptive answers you will solve, so that paper you have to send to respective subject teacher only. So suppose you have solved the paper of English, then you have to click on Sheetal Khedgikar miss. Then her account will be open. Then here addition sign is there at the left bottom corner. Click on that. Here you will see the 3 options: image, PDF and voice message. If you want to upload the PDF, you have to click on PDF. If you want to upload the image, you have to click on image. I am going to show you both the ways. Now I am clicking on image. After clicking on image, my images will be open. So I will take that image of my answer sheet. I have to adjust this image properly so that all the answers can be sent properly. Then I will crop it and then I will upload it, and then we have to click this arrow. So this will be uploading this paper you are sending to Sheetal miss in the form of image. See, like this. Now you can see this image here. Then if you want to upload PDF file, you have to click on PDF. Then go to your PDF where your PDF is there. Now my PDF is there in WPS Office. So I am searching here in WPS Office. See here. Now this is my screen of WPS Office. I want to upload one PDF file. So I am searching this PDF file. See here. Then this arrow at the right bottom corner I am pressing. Then my PDF file will be uploaded. Your PDF file size should not be more than 5 MB. If it is more than 5 MB, it will not be uploaded. Make it in the 2 form and then upload it. Then children, here you can see this type of icons once you upload it. If you will see these icons, then your file is uploaded successfully or your image is uploaded successfully. See like this, here you can see the PDF also and image also. See here, this is the PDF file I have uploaded and this is the image I have uploaded. Here you can send a message along with that, whatever you want to say. See, I am writing here, good morning ma'am. Please find the answer sheet for English, and your name you can write. Here I am writing my name. Suppose I am in 3rd A, then I am writing 3rd A. Okay, and I can send like that. So please send your name, class and section along with your file, and you can upload your file. So here it will look like that. See here, this is the image I have uploaded, this is PDF I have uploaded, and this is the message I have uploaded. So like that you can upload your all the subject teachers answer sheet to on their account. So children, hope you understood well. If you have any question or any doubt, you can contact your class teachers, they will guide you. Thank you. Have a nice day.